Hello guys, I hope you're all doing great. In this video I'm going to show you how to reset Premiere Pro, Adobe Premiere Pro to the default setting. So I'm going to open the Premiere Pro. I'm going to open the Premiere Pro. It's opening. Create project, create, replace, yes. As you can see, the layout is not looking very good because it has been changed. So how we can reset to the default setting? It's very easy. Just click on Premiere Pro on the top and create. Yes or no? Just close. It has been closed. And now you have to open the Premiere Pro. Before you open, you should press the Option key on Mac, on Windows, and press Alt and open the Premiere Pro. As you can see, this this window will pop up. There are different options. Reset app preferences. Just check that and continue. As you can see, it has been changed to the default setting. Yeah, that's how you can reset Premiere Pro to the default setting. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any question, drop them in the comment section. See you in the next video.